We're in weather alert this morning as the storms move through. Thanks for joining us. I'm Abby Buttacavoli in for Allison this week.
And I'm Mario Clary. We'll check with Kristen to see how the weather may be affecting your morning commute. But first, Christina's here with a look at a flood warning that's in effect right now.
Yeah, this is brand new. This just came down about 5 minutes ago. Portions of Connecticut and Providence County now under a flash flood warning. So you can see that highlighted in red here on my map. The rest of us are under a flash flood watch, just prepping us for that potential for these warnings when they come down. So our flood alerts in effect until 4 o'clock. This specific one, though, highlighting a portion of northeastern Connecticut and a little bit of Providence County, indicating that we could see some isolated street flooding, especially for underpasses or creeks and streams or low-lying roads as well. We can see that this is just beginning to move in to portions of 395 and heading into Killingly as well. And of course, this is heading into portions of Providence County. Meanwhile, there is another cell that is producing torrential rain, and it's doing something called training. It's kind of sitting over one specific area, Woonsocket, being affected by this, in Route 114 as well. So we could be seeing some isolated flooding there. Keeping a close eye on this throughout your morning. We did have some pretty active weather early this morning, some drier breaks meanwhile for many of us across the state, especially Kent and Washington counties. But we do have a broken line of showers headed our way for the remainder of the day. So with that, we'll continue to see some scattered showers or some pockets of heavy rain tapering off by later this afternoon. A cool day because we stay cloudy and foggy. Temperatures only in the low to mid 70s with a drier afternoon coming up. I have more details on your rain chances as we look ahead the next few days. Kristen?
Oh.